Opo, I think it's not my definition, but actually the Vice President's definition that's important. And she already said this, not just recently, but even last year, kung ano ba yung ibig niyang sabihin nung sinabi niya yung bloodbath. Ang ibig sabihin niya doon ay yung sariling dugo niya, yung tatagas dahil siya yung nagiging subject nitong impeachment proceeding na ito. And that was clarified further when last week pumunta siya dito na sinabi niya she will be bludgeoned, hindi ba? So what she meant was bloodbath was actually herself. And I guess it was subject to a lot of misinterpretation, which is understandable. But I think the Vice President has since clarified that for the public.
So, attorney, bloodbath hindi para makapanakit ang Vice President?
Definitely hindi. Wala naman pong ganyang insinuation ng Vice President. In fact, last year pa lang, nung unang round ng impeachment, hindi ba, sinabi kaagad niya na what I meant was with bloodbath was my blood.
Attorney, sa pag-testify